Welcome to this video, where we'll tackle a common problem that arises in Power BI reports. The problem we're addressing involves filtering a table of data based on a selected date range using a timeline slicer. So, if you've ever encountered a similar issue in your own reports, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the solution provided for this problem. In the first step, we create a date table by using the CALENDARAUTO function. This table will help us in performing date-related calculations and comparisons efficiently. By setting up this table, we lay the groundwork for the subsequent steps in our solution. Now, let's move on to the crux of our solution. We define a measure that utilizes variables to calculate the intersection of two date ranges. The X variable captures the selected dates from the date table, while the Y variable generates a date range based on the start date and end date columns from our data table. Finally, we use the COUNTROWS and intersect functions to determine the number of overlapping dates between these two ranges. In summary, we've demonstrated a straightforward yet effective method to filter data based on a selected date range in Power BI. By following these steps, you can ensure that only the relevant data corresponding to the chosen period is displayed in your reports. I hope you found the solution helpful and insightful for your own reporting challenges. Remember, subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Happy analyzing!